In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix date entry errors with this Google Sheets trick. So if you're dealing with a set of data and you want to make sure that in one of the columns, the only data to be entered there would be dates. Well, here's how you can do it. I have two examples and two methods where I'm going to show you how to do this. The first one would be with this example right here. So in my first column, you'll see that my header would be a date. And what I want to do here is to make sure that whatever is entered in this column are only dates. And I can do that with data validation. So I'm going to input some validation rules on these cells that I'm going to select right here. So that's basically your first step. Select the range where you want to enter those dates. Then go to data here in the menu bar and select data validation. On the right side, we have our data validation rule. So we're going to be adding a rule. And that rule would be in our criteria right here. So we're going to select from these options, is a valid date. If you click on that, there you have it. So with this criteria, all the cells that we've just selected or that entire range would only accept a date as an entry. And we can select a type of warning if the data that is entered is invalid. We can either show a warning or reject the input. So if we select show a warning right here and click on done, if I click on it to enter something else instead of a date, it will have that error saying invalid. The input must be a valid date. So if we change that or double click on it, it actually shows us a mini calendar where we can select the date. So if I wanted to input a past date, maybe of last month, May 15, there you have it. We don't have that error anymore showing up. But let's say I remove this and change that warning into something else. So that's with your advanced options. If we reject the input, click on done. I'm going to try and input 1, 2, 3 again. There you go. It will have this pop-up message that the data I've entered in cell A2 violates the data validation rules set on this cell. So if I click on OK, it will start with a blank again. So it has rejected the data that we've tried to input. But again, since we've already validated these cells into just accepting dates, we can either just click on it and enter the date that we want. There you go. Press enter. Or just double click on it to select a specific date from our mini calendar. There you have it. So that's one way for you to avoid those date entry errors. And that's with your data validation. Next example would be if you are using a pre-built table. So right here, we have the exact same data, but this time we can easily change the type of column that we have within our pre-built table. So if I go to my column menu right here or my column drop down right next to my header, click on that, go to edit column type, and select date right here. I can either do date, date time, or time. That's totally up to you. But if I click on date right here and click on this one, if I enter, let's say 1, 2, 3 again, it will show me the error that tells me that this value does not match the column type date. So it's the same with our data validation rule right here, that if we enter something else instead of that, it will either show us the error or it will reject the data that we've entered. So if I go back here, I can do the same thing. I can just double click on it and select a date from the mini calendar that pops up when I do double click on that cell. There you have it. The error has been removed, and now we can just simply double click or enter the date that we want for that cell. And there you have it. Those are two easy tricks on how to fix your date entry errors here in Google Sheets. And if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.